bump these multi-locks, which is not true. And I've even got a video of me doing it on there, and he reckons I'm cheating or something, so I'm going to try and show you that I'm not. I don't mean to be patronising, but it's going to have to be a little bit because I want to go through everything properly. So there's the lock, it's a multi-lock Garrison thumb turn. There's the profile, there's your familiar multi-lock geezer. See, it's like a strong man with a key body, nice. And here's the key. Right, the bloke on the YouTube thing reckoned I had a combination on the flip side of the key. I think that's what he was getting at. Now that would be useless because there's only one set of pins in this lock, unless he's suggesting at some point I flipped it over to reveal the real combination. I mean, it's ludicrous. If I had sleight of hand skills like that, I wouldn't be bumping locks for a living, I tell you. Anyway, here's the key. As you see, that's a multi-lock machine cut bump key. Both sides identical, yeah? Okay, happy with that? Good. These are the dampeners I'm going to use. Oh, let the key out of shot, can't do that. Bring it up there, show you it again. Okay, I'm going to put it away here. Right, dampeners go on. Anyone who knows UK bump keys will know I've worked that out by lining it up there with those 7 bleeding pins. And now I'm going to show you how to bump it. When you're using dampeners, you hit it harder. That's why they're called dampeners. They dampen it. You won't be causing a lot of impact inside the lock. These will absorb most of it. So this bump key, that lock, here we go. There you go.